Today I am going to throw some light on Krishna Janmashtami. Janmashtami is one of the major festivals of Hindus. It is popularly known as Krishna Janmashtami, as on this day Lord Krishna was born. Lord Krishna was the eighth son of Devaki and Vasudeva. King Kans ruled the Mathura and his death was predicted by the eighth son born to his sister, so he imprisoned Devaki and her husband. But when Lord Krishna was born, the doors of prison opened automatically and his father took him to his friend Nand. Since then, Krishna is known as the son of Yashoda and Nand. Lord Krishna, who is believed to be one of the most powerful incarnations of the Lord Vishnu. He was born around 5200 years ago. The sole objective of his birth was to free the earth from evilness of demons. He played an important role in Mahabharata and propagated the theory of bhakti and good karma, which are narrated deeply in Bhagavad Gita. He was the one who enlightened Arjun on the Mahabharata battlefield by sharing his knowledge. The teachings of Lord Krishna can be easily applied to our daily lives. Some of his sayings are: the mind acts like an enemy for those who do not control it. अर्थात जो मन को नियंत्रित नहीं करते उनके लिए वह शत्रु के समान कार्य करता है. Another saying is, man is made by his belief. As he believes, so he is. अर्थात मनुष्य अपने विश्वास से निर्मित होता है. जैसा वो विश्वास करता है वैसा वो बन जाता है. On this day, the birthplace of Lord Krishna, that is Mathura, is flooded with thousands of followers. On the auspicious occasion of Krishna Janmashtami, people observe fast, enact dance dramas based on the life of Krishna, according to Bhagavad Puran, and sing devotional songs throughout the midnight. Dahi Handi is the main part of the celebration. Now, I will wind up by his saying, जीवन ना तो भविष्य में है और ना ही अतीत में, जीवन तो केवल इस पल में है. अर्थात इस पल का अनुभव ही जीवन है. माखन चुराकर जिसने खाया, बंसी बजाकर जिसने नचाया, खुशी मनाओ उनके जन्मदिन की जिसने दुनिया को प्रेम का रास्ता दिखाया. Wish you a very happy Shri Krishna Janmashtami. Thank you.